version 2512 is persistent tagging of geometry in a way that is replayable as the CAD model changes. Persistent tagging provides a means to select geometric entities for CAE model objects such as meshes, loads, and mesh controls. This enhancement eliminates custom scripts for mass attributing. It eliminates manual reselection and attributes assignment when topology changes. And it plays a vital role in robust design space exploration workflows. This example will show how an object group is used to define a local mesh control in the part's CAE model. Then as the part's features change, the mesh control in the CAE model also changes.
Define an object group. Selection intent is set to feature faces. Select the subtract feature of the leading edge holes. 64 faces are selected. Assign an attribute to the group. During update to the FEM, this group's faces will be assigned all the attributes defined on the group. Group is added to the part navigator. Selecting the group highlights its faces. Launch to the part's FEM. Create a selection recipe. Automatic selection recipes simplifies the process. It surveys the model's attributes and presents them as selection recipe candidates. Create the selection recipe from the group's attribute. The selection recipe appears in the Simulation Navigator. Select it and its contents. The 64 faces in the object group are selected. Now define a mesh control. Select the selection recipe and preview the mesh distribution. The resulting mesh control is defined on edges of faces selected by the selection recipe. Go back to the part to modify the number of holes on the leading edge. This is done via expressions. Change the driving expression's value. This changes the value of 8 other expressions used to pattern the holes. After the part updates, there are 96 leading edge holes. This is confirmed by the number of faces in the object group leading edge holes. Switching to the FEM updates its geometry and the mesh control as well.